Victoria, does anyone in the group do POD on eBay? Are there sales for that like Etsy or Amazon merch?
There are ways to sell ebooks and all of that. You have to go to the classified ad format in order to ship items electronically. But yes, you can do that.
Bonnie wants to know, are you ordering online and shipping from home?
I do some online arbitrage. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.